Hi everyone. Just to follow up on my post from yesterday, I would ask everyone to pray for the shooter, the person that committed the crime in the Catholic school shooting, and for his family. I know for me, I'm skeptical about some of these things because you should watch that movie, Bowling for Columbine, and see. The church is very quick to say other people have mental health problems and to get the police involved and to not look at themselves. I would like to know what more happened, why that young man did what he did. If you watch that movie about the Columbine shooting, you'll see that those two young children, they were children. They were normal children like other children are today. And how they ordered those guns online and then they went on a shooting spree. It's very easy for the church and for this society, the Western society, to say that somebody has mental health problems. Well, I can tell you now, I have no mental health problems. I just don't fit into their mold. Even all the priests are going around telling all the parishioners at Blessed Sacrament, Damien likes her, Damien Howard. So what? So what if Damien likes me? Did Damien get me a job in the church? Or Peter Knox? Did they hire me? Did they take me with them on their retreats where they went to the places they went to the retreats they did? Did they get me involved? So what if they like me? What's the big deal? Because for me, my life is not getting any better. And I would encourage my friends, people who are following me, pray for that young man. He was only 23. The one who carried out the killings as well. Yes, we're praying for the families that have lost the children, but pray for them as well. Because young people in our world are losing hope. They're losing hope of things getting better, of life changing, of good jobs coming up. If somebody like me has been struggling since childhood and you get all the degrees, you get all the credentials, you work hard, you prove yourself, and you still can't get the funding for your John Maxwell to help the underprivileged in South Africa to do the things you want to do, imagine how they are feeling. You know, this church, it's actually a sick church. It's festering inside. And people told me that at Regis, people told me that 6 years ago, 7 years ago. Now I know how bad it is. Because those of us who were together at Regis, who worked together to change things, are no longer together, and there's very little you can do on your own. There's very little. So it's easy for the church to accept reports saying, I've got mental health problems. It's a load of bullshit. I don't have any mental health problems. The anxiety I have is normal anxiety. The blood pressure that I developed in the contact center was deliberate. It's because of their policies. And yes, it's the white men. Because when you say you're Canadian here, people say you're not Canadian, you're Indian. So only white people are Canadian, right? It's a load of bullshit. It's a load of bullshit. The church wants to command and control like they did in the 50s and the 60s. People are going to walk with their feet. They need to grow up. What is the point of going around telling all the parishioners at Blessed Sacrament that Damien likes me? Damien doesn't even write to me anymore. I told him so many times, send me a ticket to come see you. I want to come back to England. Help me to get a job in England. He didn't do anything. So what's the point of going around? It's like people going around telling people that Bono likes me. You must be kidding. You think if Bono liked me, I would be sitting in poverty? He's hiring the people that he likes. He's getting them into good paid jobs. He's traveling with them. There's a lot that goes on that's not on social media, that's not on Facebook, that's not displayed to the public. You think Bono loves me? You must be kidding. Damien helped me to get into becoming a spiritual director. After that, I had to do everything on my own. Even all my posts, my videos, everything I did on my own. Scott Lewis and Wilma sat and they cried. when they took me in for that psychiatric assessment. It's a load of bullshit. And in any case, what's it got to do with anybody if he likes me? So what if he likes me? Is it anybody's business if he likes me? But because they started telling the public, I'm also telling people now. Because you know what? It's got nothing to do with anything. It doesn't put food on my table. It doesn't help me to get a job in the church. In fact, it's used against me. Just the way that Warren Bell liking me and helping me get a job at TD was used against me. So what? So what if they like me? Instead of them using it to help me to get into good paid jobs, to get into the property market so that I can really help the church and really help the underprivileged, they're using it as something to talk about. It's sickening. Whatever that young man did, this kind of thing is not new in America. It's not new. And the Nigerians also do it. It's sickening. You want to talk about building good values, living good lives, and then what you do to us, you push us into poverty. That's what you do. So then how do you expect the young people to cope? I've been fortunate. I've had my dad's family to help me. I've had other people to help me. What about the people that have got no one? This damn budget could have been sorted out long ago for Wits, and so that I could help them, really help them, and get an income coming in. But no, it doesn't work in the favor of the church, so it's not being done. If somebody had to say, oh, we'll pay for Belinda's salary, and then you can hire her, then the church would employ me right away. It's all bullshit. I'm sick of it. Maria sent me those emails. She helps Father Larry now. I was very close to Father Larry. She sent me those emails that, oh, I made a mistake on the altar. I responded to her. You know, I'm also tired of it. I'm not a new reader in the church. I'm not somebody that started reading yesterday. If she wants to do the readings herself, let them do it. Because that's what everybody's saying. She's coordinating it so that she gets the best. You know what? When I get my budget and when I get everything, I'll also coordinate it so that I get the best. And until then, I'll keep knocking on doors and I'll keep looking and I'll keep asking. And if Father Larry doesn't want me with him, that's perfectly fine too. I hope he remembers all the good I did in the church, and Damien Howard and Peter Knox. Peter's trying to help me from there. I don't know how much success he'll have. He wasn't able to keep me with him in the first place. It's a hypocritical church. That's all I can tell you. And then people like Michael Kalachik and Gordon Rickson and all of them, how far did they get with actually getting me a job in the church? They got nowhere. And Cardinal Leo, what's he doing for the poor? Oh, they're putting all their photos on Facebook. So what? Who gives a shit?